Hi everyone, it's April and today I'm going to show you how to create this adorable back to school sign. This project is available in my Cricut Design Space profile, free for Cricut Access members. There are already templates in the design to switch out to the grade to whatever fits your need. This entire project is all cardstock, no printing, so there are quite a few little pieces, and I always like to start off with assembling the smaller pieces first to minimize any loss and having to recut. For the crayon, I attached scoring lines so that you would know exactly where to place the free-flowing elements. Plike cardstock is one of my favorites to use. It's called Plike because it is plastic-like and has a different feel to it. It's much sturdier, but is also very vibrant in color. When I cut it on my Cricut, the setting I use is Poster Board Plus, which means it does 2 pass-throughs to cut through cleanly. When gluing cardstock onto glitter paper, I always use hot glue to make sure it really stays put. Next, we're going to finish assembling all of our other image elements using only craft glue. When we get to the text, I love to use foamies for the second offset layer to give it a 3D pop. Next, we're going to start gluing everything down to our base. Once our base is put together, we're going to add foamies to the backs and add 2 offset layers to make it pop. I've always loved mixing cardstock with specialty cardstock like foil or glitter, or sometimes both, to give it an extra pop of whimsy. Now you have an adorable sign that you can use as a photo prop created with beautiful cardstock from 12 by 12 cardstock.